We need good politicians also.
President Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc uba Vincent Pala ula Banjur halor ka jingdon kam bandon ka jing batha ka basai na ka benta ka nika election MDC ka ban salong kanang ba anla ban shim ya kirai ban thau ya ka policy trekam uba Pala ula ong ba usngau scam ba ka seng Congress kan job bun teli ki shuki namar ba ki pat ba nong shong shnong ka jilla ki don ka Iadei ka bajan bha bat ka seng Congress haba pinshai halor ka jingetre lang ka seng Congress ha ka liang sinchar ha District Council uba apala ulaong bakathong jong kaseng kalong banyada ya kerukom trekam ya ka 6 schedule kabala ban kta ya kipat ba nong shong shnong jong ka jilla Meghalaya.
I think I should appreciate the hard work of our Congress workers at the grassroots level, at the block level. So many of our friends also said if the Congress can give us a good candidates, we'll go back to the Congress. So we are trying to see that whomever we put as a candidate, as far as practicable, the candidate has a clean image. It's not like people say in the council, any Vitam the country can be a candidate. And I'm very confident this time we will do well. I think we'll be, from all the party, the Congress will be the best this time.